Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can organize your files on CapCut PC and like how you can sort them into like folders and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the ones that I want to put in a folder. Right click, new folder with selected item, and if you go back here, so like if you're in this folder, just double click on all, select folder, right click, rename, and I'm just going to name this one Valorant. Press save. Then here you can also sort by time created, name, file type, and duration. And on file type, you can select either sounds first and videos or videos first and sounds. And in duration, you can select shortest to longest or longest to shortest. You can also sort by video, audio, and image. And you can also sort it by grid or list. I'll just show you in list. You can kind of see it a little bit better. Let's do all. You can kind of see the timestamp here and like more of the clip here than just like one of that thumbnail. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!